A big shout out to all classics lovers out there, because in today's video I'm going to review about an app where you can read classics as well as you can listen to audiobooks, but absolutely free. Hey everyone, this is Nishat and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm not going to review about any book or anything. Today I'm going to talk about an app where you would be able to read books as well as listen to audiobooks absolutely free, and for that you don't have to pay, you don't have to take up any kind of subscription. And the name of that very app is FreeBooks app. Now let's talk about the contents in this app. इस ऐप में बेसिकली आपको क्लासिक बुक्स देखने को मिलेगा और यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारे कैटेगरीज मिलेंगे. सो यू आर गोइंग टू सी बुक्स लाइक ड्रैकुला, Wuthering Heights, The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, and all those proper classics. And you need to check out the app in order to see that it contains a lot more things. Not only just it contains books from a particular genre, but it contains books from different genres like adventure, uh, science fiction, detective, and many more. So you can expect to get Agatha Christie, Sherlock Holmes, adventures. In adventures, you're gonna see Alice in Wonderland and many more. So basically, you are going to see all of those proper classics out there. The main advantage is like you can read them as well as you can listen to audiobooks as well. Now I'll be showing you how to use it and how to download and everything. So without any further ado, let's see the video.
Okay, so this is the very app about which I was saying. It's like the name is FreeBooks. Okay, so you will find that there are a number of ads coming up. Let me cut it out. Okay, so here are the various genres about which I was saying. आप लोगों को देखने को मिलेगा यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऐसे कैटेगरीज है लाइक मिस्ट्री एंड डिटेक्टिव, शॉर्ट स्टोरी, साइंस फिक्शन, फैंटेसी, एक्शन एंड एडवेंचर, रोमांस, हॉरर एंड मेनी मोर. बहुत सारे आपको ऐसे मिलेंगे फिक्शंस एज वेल एज नॉन फिक्शन. मैं एक एक आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ लाइक मिस्ट्री एंड डिटेक्टिव, एडवेंचर, शर्लॉक होम्स, मोस्ट डेंजरस गेम, सीक्रेट एडवेंचर. अब मैं दिखाऊंगी कि आप लोग को डाउनलोड कैसे करना है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल टेकिंग एडवेंचर्स ऑफ शर्लॉक होम्स. सो यहाँ पर जाके आप डाउनलोड करोगे. ओके, विल टेक सम टाइम. सो रीड नाउ. अब इसको पढ़ते हैं. Okay, so as you can see, it's very easier and like मैंने कहा था already that it's pretty easier. Okay, so now move to short stories. यहाँ पर भी आप देख सकते हो ऐसे बहुत सारे कैटेगरीज एंड ऑल. सो एज आई सेड यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड अ लॉट मोर. नाउ विल मूव टू ऑडियो बुक्स. नाउ in audiobooks, I'll take up adventure. यहाँ पर मैं एडवेंचर्स और शर्लॉक होम्स करने वाली हूँ. अब मेरा ये ऑलरेडी डाउनलोड किया हुआ है. अभी नहीं, ये डाउनलोड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज़ जस्ट टू प्ले इट.
This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. That's LibriVox.org.
So as you can see that it's complete. It's not the complete one. It's just one story, A Scandal in Bohemia, and it's for 64 minutes 48 seconds. सो ऐसे आपको बहुत सारे मिलने वाले हैं. शर्लॉक होम्स के जैसे बहुत सारे हैं. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल रही है. एंड दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस ऐप.
I believe that this app is going to be an ideal platform for all of those classic lovers, as well as it's going to be an interesting platform for all of those book lovers basically, because they have lots of things to offer. They have a huge collection and all of them are just brilliant. Also, I believe that it's going to be interesting, ideal for all those people who don't like to buy a lot of books for a number of reasons and they just love to read books online. I believe it's going to be very good for them as well. Okay, so that's all for today guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.